Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple beaded present. So what you'll need is one piece of 28 gauge wire. It's going to be 14 inches or 35 centimeters long. And then for beads, you'll need 40 beads of one color and 21 beads of the other color, and I'm going to call the gold. I'm using gold. This is the main present wrapping color, and then the maroon color that I'm using is going to be the bow color, but I might just call them gold and maroon. But you also need a ruler to measure wire and scissors to cut your wire. And here is the wire that I'm using. It's 28 gauge pair wire. I get it on firemountaingems.com. And yeah, so let's get started. So first thing you're gonna do is meet the ends of your wire and fold them in half. And then you're gonna put 4 gold or wrapper beads, like main base beads, I guess, on your wire. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now go all the way down and just let them rest in that little dip. And then take 2 of your bow beads, your ribbon beads, put them on your wire. 1, 2, and then take 4 more base beads and put them on your wire. Keep dropping them. Two. 3 and 4. Now bring them all the way down and then make sure they're all resting in that little gap, but make sure your wire is still centered. And now you can kind of hold them in place with your thumb, kind of like that. And then take one of your wires and then loop it around to the opposite side and stick your wire through all of the beads. Like that, and kind of hold it in place and pull tight. Make sure your wire is even on both sides. And if it's not, you just pull on this and then pull on your wire. And then kind of pull out and kind of flatten it. Make sure your beads are flat in a straight line. And then pull tight, so it would look like that. And now for your next row, you're gonna hold this and then just strip your wires back. And then you're gonna do the same thing we did on this row. You're gonna do 4 of your wrapper beads, of your base beads, I guess. So 4 base beads, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 2 bow beads. And then 4 more base beads. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now bring them down. and kind of fold them across like that. And then take whatever wire does not have beads on it and stick it through all of your beads and pull tight. Just like that. And we're going to do that another time. So 4 beads. We're actually going to do it until we run out of our base beads. So 4 base beads. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 bow beads, ribbon beads. 1 and 2. And then 4 of our base beads. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then bring them down and then kind of fold them across. Take the wire that doesn't have beads on it, the opposite wire, and stick it through all your beads. And then, oops, I have one more. There we go. I'll do it zoomed in. All right, so 4 base beads. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 2 ribbon beads. 1, 2. And then 4 base beads. The pattern is 4, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring them down, bend it, and do the same thing. There we go. And now, again, just keep doing this. I think we have one more row. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 1, 2. And then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring them down, fold them across, and loop your other wire around and through the beads. All right, now we can move this out of the way. Okay, now I'm going to take one wire and loop it around and then stick it through that bead and then pull tight. And then I'm going to take this wire and stick it through that bead. And pull tight. so they kind of cross. Just like that. My wire's kind of tangled a little bit. You can untangle your wires if you want. And then you're going to take your 2 wires. Oops, mine aren't entirely even, but that's okay. And stick both of them through 1 ribbon bead. And bring it down as far as you can. And now you're going to put 5 beads on one of your wires. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then take it and loop it down and then loop it through the last bead. The first bead you put on. Loop it through and then pull tight. So it should look like that. And there you go. And then do the same thing on the other side. So just take the rest of your beads, I guess. And then put them on your wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then do the same thing. I'll zoom in this time. Loop your wire around and stick it through the first bead you put on your wire. Like that. And then kind of pull tight. Now there's your little bow on your present, and now you're going to point your wires in the same direction and then pinch it off and twist it. Just like that. And then you can trim off the extra wire. Like that. Just like that. And then tuck in the little ends of the wire. And then you can adjust it however much you want. And I'll just put this away. And there you have your little beaded present, your finished beaded present. And yeah, I hope you like this tutorial. And that's the last of my Christmas tutorials. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow. And these would make really good Christmas gifts. Well, last minute Christmas gifts at this point. But you could make them into earrings or necklaces or Christmas ornaments. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this once again, and make sure to subscribe for more videos, and yeah, tell your friends about my channel. And Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays to everyone watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!